Tēnā tātou, ko Crystal Pikipo tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no Ngāti Kaununu, no Ngāti Wara, no Ngāti Tāne, no Ngāti Kaukura hoki. E noho ana mātou toki whānau ki o Tāne, he hāpori i roto i te takiwā o tamatea. Kia ora whānau, my name is Crystal. I am a mother of 5 tamariki, and we live in a small community in the Central Hawke's Bay region called Tāne. And welcome to our interesting world. This is Kurapeo.
Kia ora, ko te uira ahau.
Kia ora, ko ngāwi ahau.
Kia ora, ngā tai.
And this is Toreka. Mihi atu. Kia ora. Over the next few weeks we will be sharing our journey around Matariki and Maramataka. We're not experts, but we have a deep connection and a deep desire to really work on ourselves as a whānau and get a real connection and understanding in terms of what Maramataka and Matariki looks like for our own whānau. And so this segment is around maara kai. Just before the COVID lockdown, we had already planned to do a winter maara. I remember being told one of the first things in terms of you wanting to learn about Maramataka is plant some kai. For us it's important to instill skills into our tamariki in growing their own kai to be more sustainable in our whānau space, really. So this is our maara 4 months later. Because we have a lot of tamariki, we are able to actually utilise a lot of our kai, especially for pinu for our two babies. The kids have been making morning smoothies.
We're going to have some spinach for our breakfast. It's enough.
So starting off with karakia is an important ritual for us as a whānau. We have some seedling mix here, and we're just going to fill these toilet rolls, now new homes, for our seeds. We're in the tangaroa moon phases at the moment, so we felt it would be a really good opportunity to actually really start applying ourselves and testing growing our kai from seeds. They go down, facing down and into the hole, yeah, and then just cover, so not too deep, yeah. Nā manaakitanga kia koutou kua mātakitaki mai ki tēnei kiriata, mena he pātaia koutou, pātuhi mai ki tēnei wahanga comments. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below and we'll catch you next week for our next week's vlog. Mauri ora!